Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down the Xbox 360 and unplugging everything. This prevents short circuits. Once done, wait about 5 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Put on an anti-static strap and remove the hard drive bay cover. This is the first actionable step. You need the correct replacement. Confirm whether your model uses a 2.5 SATA drive or the proprietary Xbox 360 HDD. Make sure you backed up saves to the cloud or a USB, because the old drive will be removed. Next, open the side panel or memory unit bay on your specific Xbox 360 model. These differ, so follow the visible latch. Remove any screws holding the drive shield, then slide the old drive straight out. Note the connector orientation so you insert the replacement the same way. You want to avoid bending pins, that damages the SATA connector. Clean the bay of dust with a soft brush. Compare the replacement drive's connector and bracket, and transfer mounting hardware if needed. Install the new drive by seating it with the same orientation and sliding it fully into the bay. Secure the bracket snugly, but do not over-tighten screws. Reassemble the panels, reconnect power and network, then power on the console. You will be prompted to format or transfer data. Follow on-screen instructions to restore saves. If the drive is not detected, power down, reseat the drive, check connectors, and try another known good drive to isolate whether the issue is the drive or the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.